In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of this signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to show you how to use chess.com. And of course, if you want to do that, once you are here in this home screen, you'll find this left panel, which is the most important thing here. You can just go and hover the play, and you can see you can play against humans here on play. You can play against computers. You can play some tournaments if you have the premium plan. You can play the 4-player chess. You can see the leaderboard and archive games. Here you can play some puzzles rush, some puzzle battles, some daily puzzles, and even some puzzles made by other people, or you can make your own puzzles. Here on Learn, of course, you can learn some lessons, some chessable courses, some insights, openings, and then which is the most important things in the chess. And you can practice and create a classroom to invite people to show them something, and even analysis, so you can analyze your games. You can watch some streamers, some famous tournaments, some events, some GMs or EMs players, which is the most good players on chess.com. And of course, here you'll find the news and socials. You'll find just your friends, clubs and forums, members, blogs and coaches. And here and more, as you can see, that's what you're going to find. So this will be actually for this tutorial. Hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.